symmetry. Okay. So yes. Wait. Yes. So what do you mean by rotational symmetry? Yes. Tell me. Anyone knows? Anyone knows here? Shiva Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what is the rotational symmetry?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's a straight line. How many rotations it can be in same figure? That is called rotational symmetry.
Yes. Okay. So tell me the rotational symmetry of this figure. If I say this is a figure, there's a windmill. Okay. Have you ever tried that paper windmill through paper? Have you ever tried it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Not tried. So it's look like this. It's look like this figure. Okay. So this is a paper windmill. Okay. So now how will you rotate it? Okay, if I rotate it, by what angle you can rotate it? So for that you need to find out the angle of rotation. Okay, so for angle of rotation, the angle of rotation could be found. See, angle of rotation could be found by using total angle is 360 degree. Okay, how many parts are there? How many symmetrical parts are there? There are 4 symmetrical parts of this windmill. Okay, so 360 by 4. 360 by 4. If you will rotate this windmill by 90 degree, okay, this point will come here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you again rotate this windmill by 90 degree, then this point will come over here, correct? When you will again this point, again this windmill to 90 degree, this point would come here. Clear? Again rotate the windmill by 90 degree. This point would come at its original position. At its original position. Okay. So how many total? How many angles? 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. We are rotating this. We are rotating this windmill by 90 degree 4 times. 90 degree 4 times. That is the 360 degree. We are rotating this windmill by 360 degree and in the parts of 90 degree, and we will see that how many times it resembles or it is same as the original object. Okay, so you could see here in the first condition, it is same as the original position. It is same as the original object, right? Only the point is a reference that we are moving it by 90 degree. Point is taken only for the reference. Otherwise, the shape is same. The shape is same, right? So in the first case, the shape is same. In the second case, the shape is same. Wait. In the third case, the shape is same as the original position. In the fourth case, the shape is same as the original position. So you could say that 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is looking same as the original object. So the degree of rotation, of this object would be 4. The degree of order would be 4. Okay. So it is clear that if we are rotating any object by 0 to 360 degree, how many times it looks like same as the original object? Okay, how many times? It is looking 4 times as the same as the original object. So that's why here the order of rotation would be 4.
Ma'am, from long time I was in waiting room and you told what you told.
I have not seen you. Yes. I have not seen you. Okay. Now see, I have started this rotational symmetry. Okay. So what is a rotational symmetry? If we rotate the image at center point by an angle 360 degree, then the number of times the image look the same. Show the rotational symmetry of the image. Okay. Now see, there are 4 important terms First one is the center of rotation. So what is the center of rotation? The center of the object through which we are rotating the object. That would be the center of rotation. Okay. And always we have to rotate the object in clockwise direction only. We can rotate anti-clockwise also, but only consider only one. Either rotate it through clockwise or either rotate it through anti-clockwise. Don't rotate it like one time you are rotating clockwise, then second time you are rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, consider only one direction. Third important point is that
And we'll come to one time that like we'll get the same number answer.
yes, that is only I am telling. Okay. Yes. Now we will see the next example. Okay, so this figure is having four rotational symmetry. Okay, 4 times it is looking same as the original figure. Okay, so now we will see the second example. See,
Ma'am, let's say how many rotations?
wait. Yeah, can you say how many rotational symmetry this figure would have?
Ma'am, 4.
4. How?
Yes, ma'am. And because
What would be the angle of rotation? Yes, tell me.
ma'am, 90.
90 only.
60 by
Okay.
40, 360 by 4, which is
Yes, 360 by 4. 4 parts are there. How it will be 360 by 4, Ritvik?
40.
Yes, so 90. So when you will rotate this angle, this shape by 90 degree, you will get, for a reference, I can color it. Okay, so that you could see, actually we are rotating this. When we will rotate this image, this colored part would come here. Okay, so this color part would come here. Okay, this image will look like this. Clear? Now this color part would shift here. Now again rotate it by 90 degree. Okay, when you will again rotate this color part, color block would shift here. Okay, so it will look like the color part would shift here. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, again you need to rotate it by 90 degree. This color part would shift here. So this color part would shift here. Sorry. Okay, this color part would shift here. So in all the rotation, it is looking 4 times. How many times it is looking similar to the original shape?
4.
4 times. Okay, so the order of rotational symmetry would be 4.
4.
Okay, or it would be 4. Yeah, go ahead. Are you getting or not?
Yes, ma'am, I'm getting it.
Okay. Good. Now if I say find out the rotational symmetry of this square. Yes, tell me. What would be the rotational symmetry of this square? Yes. Wait. Hello? Hello? Okay. So if I consider this square, okay, and if I colored it in 4 different colors, okay, now if you rotate it, so what would be the rotational angle? What would be the rotational angle?
Ma'am,
90 degree. Yes. So when you will rotate it by 90 degree, let's say this is a, this is a point B, C, D. Okay. So when you will rotate it by 90 degree, the shape will look same, only the point will get changed. The position of point, this point ABCD will get changed. Okay, so the B will come here, A will come here, A, B, C, D. Clear? Again, if I rotate it by 90 degree, this is square, if I rotate by 90 degree, then the B would come here. Okay, B would come here, C, A, D. Okay. Similarly, if I rotate again it by 90 degree, then this B would come here. When I will rotate it, then what will happen? This DC will come, CD will come here, and BA will come here. Okay. Again, if I rotate, I will get the same square. Okay. This ABCD numbering is only done for understanding purpose only. Okay. To get you, in order to make you understand, I have done the numbering ABCD. Okay. Exactly, we have to see the shape only. Okay. In all the rotation, we don't have to figure out the location of ABCD. We have to figure out only the shape. Okay. The shape is same in all the 4 rotation. Okay. So how many times it is looking the same?
Your voice is breaking a little bit.
4 times. 4 times the shape
Ma'am,
is.
your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes. Hello. Now.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Wait for 1 minute. Maybe there's
It's clear only.
clear only.
Yeah, ma'am, it's clear only. Ma'am,
So Ritvik, maybe it is problem from your networks. You check it. Okay. So how many times it look the same? 4 times. So the order of symmetry of square would be 4. Ritvik, Nimala, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if are you getting it, tell me what would be the order of symmetry, rotational symmetry for this object?
Ma'am, that one, right?
Yes. Center. First figure out the center. This is the center. Okay. So what would be the
Yes, ma'am.
angle of rotation?
Ma'am, Shiva Prana, can I?
Wait.
Ma'am,
Let Ritvik.
Ma'am, I kept it
ma'am,
up.
90.
90, no.
Ma'am, 90. Ma'am, it's 90.
Yes. Okay. Rotate it by 90 degree. When you will rotate it by 90 degree, you would get this one.
Ma'am, 360.
You will get
360, ma'am.
you will get this position. Okay. You will
Yes,
get this
ma'am.
image, right? So is that looking same as the original one?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's the same, but it's not in the same position.
Not at the same position, right?
Yes.
Now you again rotate it 90 degree. Okay. So
Ma'am, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yes. So it will look like this. So is that looking same as the original one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in the 180 degree, after 180 degree, 90 plus 90, it is looking same as the original one. Okay. Now again rotate it by 90 degree. We have to complete the 360 degree angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So rotate 4 times. So only 1 and 2 times you have rotated.
Yes, ma'am.
Again rotate it by.
Ma'am, once more.
Yes. Once more. So you will get this thing. Okay. Now again rotate it by 90 degree. You will get the same figure.
360, ma'am.
So it means how many times it is looking same as the original one?
Ma'am,
Only
2 times.
2 times. Only 2 times. They are not same as the original figure. Only 2 times we are getting the same figure. So the order of symmetry would be 2. The order of symmetry would be 2. Okay. Now, the center of rotation and the angle of rotation. Okay. The center of rotation is the center through which we rotate any object. That is the center of rotation. And angle of rotation is the angle by which we are rotating the object. Okay. Now see. If I say I am moving clockwise, what is the meaning of clockwise? What is the meaning of clockwise and anti-clockwise? Yeah, Shiva Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, anti-clock means ma'am left side.
Not left or right. It is rotational. So
Ma'am, it is,
with reference to clock, tell me.
Clockwise is
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
like it will be reversed.
It is
Ma'am,
reverse
ma'am.
of, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
clockwise is
anti-
12. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Ritvik Nimala.
clockwise is coming from 12, 1, 2, 3, ma'am.
Yes.
But anti-clockwise is coming from 12, 11, 10, 9, ma'am. Like that.
Okay, okay. If we are rotating, or you can say if we are rotating according to the how the minute hand and hour hand moves in a clock, if we move our object in the same direction as the minute hand and hour hand moves, then that direction would be the clockwise. Okay, and opposite to the rotation of the clock and minute hand direction, that would be the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, we are going opposite to the clock direction, that would be anti-clockwise. Clear? Yes. Now if I give you, yes, Gohit, tell me, if I say this is an object, okay, so find
Yes, ma'am.
out the rotational symmetry of this object. X, this is a X.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah.
have to find out the rotational symmetry.
Yes, you have to find out the order
Oh.
of rotational symmetry. Yes, Shiva Pranav, correct. Ritvik Nimala, Ritvik, all of you.
Ma'am, is it like 180
Yes, ma'am.
degrees?
Yes, angle of rotation would be 180 degree. When you will rotate it by 180 degree, then you will get the same figure.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
See, I can explain the it. Wait, let me to explain it more clearly.
Ma'am, it is 90 right now.
Wait,
Yeah, ma'am, 90.
yes, 90
Alright.
also we can rotate. Wait, see, this is our object. Okay, if we rotate it by 90 degree, okay. Okay, you can't see it. Let me to share the new screen.
Ma'am, we can see.
Wait. Yes. Can you see it now? Yes. Yes. See, this is an object. Okay. You are rotating this image by 90 degree. If we rotate it by 90 degree, it will look like this. Clear? Clear? So is that same as the original one?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it's little stretched.
Little stretched. Yes. Now if I rotate it by 180 degree, again with 90 degree, then Ritvik, is it looking same as the original one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is looking same as the original one. So by rotating it by 180 degree, it is looking same as the original one. Clear? Yes. Now again rotate it by 90 degree. It will look like this.
It is not looking like same.
Yes. Now again rotate it by 90 degree. It will look like same as the original one. So in 360 degree rotation, it is looking 2 times same as the original one. So its angle of its degree of rotation would be 2. Clear? Gohit.
Yes, ma'am.
The degree of rotation is not 180 degree. The degree of rotation is given in a form of a number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so here the degree of rotation would be how much?
Ma'am.
For this cross. Degree of rotation would be how much? Yes, go ahead, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
It would be 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ma'am, 4.
not 4,
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 360.
not 360.
Ma'am, it's 2, ma'am.
It's 2,
Ma'am,
yes.
it's 2.
It is 2. It is 2. Go with the degree of symmetry would be 2.
Okay,
How?
ma'am.
How it would be 2? Rotate it, start rotating it. Okay, start rotating it. When you will rotate it by 90°, it will look little bit stretched. Okay, it is not
ma'am.
looking same as the original one. Now, if I again rotate it by 180°, it is looking same as the original one. Okay, so in 180° rotation, it is looking same. Again rotate it by 90° in the anti-clockwise direction, it will not look same as the original one. Now again rotate it by 90°, it will look same as the original one. So it means while rotating the full angle 360°, it is looking 2 times same. Correct? It is looking 2 times same. So the order of rotation would be, tell me, the order of rotation for this object would be,
Ma'am, whom you're asking, ma'am?
go ahead. Go ahead.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, correct. Sure, Pranav, correct. Now let me to share my screen again. Yes. Go ahead, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So between 0 to 360, it will take 2 identical position. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, if I say find out the rotational symmetry of B, the letter B. Yes, find it out. And type your answer.
Rotational symmetry, ma'am.
Rotational symmetry.
Ma'am, I think it's.
Ma'am,
I
1.
think it's 1, ma'am.
It is?
Ma'am, 1, I think.
Yes. 1 is correct. Ritvik, ready? Ritvik, ready?
Order of rotation is angle of rotation. Ma'am, it's 1, ma'am. Sure.
I am asking the order of symmetry, order of rotational symmetry. Not angle. Angle would be 90 only. Every time you have to rotate it by
Angle 1, ma'am.
90° 4 times. Yes, tell me, Ritvik, Nimala. What
Ma'am,
would
1,
be
ma'am.
the 1? So you could see here B, this letter B, when we rotate 90°, it will look as like this one. Again rotate 90°, it will look this one. Again rotate 90°, it will look this one. When you will complete the 360°, then only it will look same as the letter B. Okay. So the B letter will have an order of rotation.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Okay. Now see, find out the order of rotation of this figure. Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out the order of rotation for this figure.
Ma'am, Shivaprana, I sent you the answer.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Correct. Ritvik, Nimala, what is
Ma'am,
your
it's
answer?
3. Ma'am, 3.
Yes, 3.
Ma'am, I also sent it to Ma'am Ritvik.
Ritvik, ready?
Ma'am, Shivaprana also.
3. Correct. So 3 would be the order of number of rotational symmetry. Okay. Go it. I'm not getting your answer. What is your?
I'm still thinking. I'm still resolving.
Still think it.
Three. What do you think? First you do.
If I am having this object, okay, this is done, this is done. Yes, go it. If you are having this object, what
Yes,
would be the rotational symmetry for this object? This is a circular, right?
yes, ma'am, it's circular.
Circular. Now, if I mark a point A, okay. So what would be the angle of rotation here? Angle of rotation. Minimum angle of rotation. Okay, Ritvik, ready? Tell me. How would you find the angle of rotation?
360 by 3, ma'am.
360 by 3. 3 arrows are there. So total angle is 360 degree. 3 arrows.
By 3.
We
So
have,
it will be 12, 120.
yes.
So angle of rotation is equals to 120 and
120.
order of rotation is equals to 3.
Yes, angle of rotation is 120 degree.
120 and order of rotation is 3.
3. So order of rotation we will find out. Now rotate this circle by 120 degree. Okay, rotate this circle by 120 degree. So it will look like this A. This A point would come if we move, if we are rotating
And
it
would
by
come, ma'am.
clockwise direction. Yes, it would come here.
Yeah.
Okay, it would come here. This A point would come here, and this will look like same as, this will look as like this figure. Okay, so this is actually I have not done
And
the
one small doubt, ma'am. After this completing chapter, we have which chapter, ma'am? We have to do
triangle.
triangle and its properties.
Yes,
Ma'am, but sir is starting the new academic year, right?
yes.
So how we can
So
do
that
it
would
on
be started from I think 21 or after 28.
26th?
Yes.
Yeah, 26th.
So till then classes would be there. So at least we are having the next week, right? So if they'll start from 21, we are having this for 3-4 days. So we can complete one chapter, 1 or 2 chapter.
Oh,
No,
ma'am,
18 we have class.
Not
Eighth
from
class?
18. Actually, according to your voting, you do voting, you give your preference date, then sir will decide it. Whenever you want to start it.
ma'am, are you only coming?
I don't know. So they will take offline classes or it will be online only?
Ma'am, both it seems, ma'am, offline and online, but offline is like facilities of source is very far, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So for you, it will be online or you are taking online or offline?
Yeah, ma'am. For me, for all, it will be online.
For all of you, it would be online, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay then. Now what to do? Again rotate the same image by 120 degree.
Once again, ma'am. So it will be,
Yes, the
Yeah,
A
ma'am.
point would come here.
ma'am. So it will not be 120, right? It would be 26. Sorry.
Yes,
240.
the total would be 240.
Yeah, 240.
After, if we are rotating this image, then
And
120.
in the third time, it would be 360.
Yes, third time 360. So A point would come here. Okay.
Okay.
So Gohit, how many
Yes,
times?
ma'am.
How many times it is looking same as the original one?
Ma'am, twice.
3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I said
Not
twice.
twice, it is thrice.
Thrice. Original is here. And this is the rotation. This is the rotation. Okay. So in the
Yes, ma'am.
complete rotation, it is looking 3 times similar. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. So now if I say find out the symmetry of T, and M. Okay. Gohit,
I'm only
wait. This is for Gohit. Gohit has to find the symmetry of T, rotational symmetry of T. Ritvik Reddy has to find the rotational symmetry of M. Wait. Ritvik Nimala, you have to find out the rotational symmetry of O.
ma'am, Ritvik Nirmal is not there.
Ritvik Nimala is not there.
He left it.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Shiva
can I give
Pranav,
now?
yes. Shiva Pranav, this is for you. Yes. Give your answers.
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav got my answer.
Yes, yes. So what would be the
Ma'am,
rotational symmetry?
infinity.
Infinitive for the circle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for M1, ma'am. Ma'am, for M1.
For M, it would be 1. And for
Ma'am,
T?
for T also 1. Because
No, no, Gohit will say. Gohit,
oh.
what would be the symmetry for T?
Ma'am, he left.
Ritvik Nimala,
Yes, ma'am.
what would be the symmetry, rotational symmetry for T?
Ma'am, 1.
1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shiva Pranav, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Sorry, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Yes. Gohit, tell me.
Ma'am, the rotational, the symmetry of T was 1, ma'am, I think.
1. For
Ma'am, I'm
M?
not sure, ma'am, because I'm a bit
Why you are
confused.
not sure? You do it, no? You draw it. You draw
Okay,
the
ma'am.
T and then rotate it by 90 degree. You will get this one. Again rotate
ma'am.
it by 90 degree. You will get this one.
For O, it is infinity, ma'am. Like one vertical, one
Okay.
horizontal.
For again rotate it by 90 degree, you will get this one. Again rotate it by 90 degree, you will get the original shape. Okay. So how many times it is looking same as T? Is this same as T? No. Is this same as T? No. Is this the same as T? No. Only one time. Only one time it is looking same as the T. So the order of rotational symmetry would be 1. Gohit, clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So similarly for the
Ma'am, can
M,
we do a quiz?
wait. First we need to finish this chapter by today. Okay. After that we will do quiz. M.
Keep things, ma'am. Individual
Yes.
things.
Yes.
We almost completed, right?
Wait. We'll do this
Yeah,
question. Yes. See, if there is a figure which is having same shape. Okay, here there are two equal or same kind of shape. Okay, so here the order would be 2. If the number of fans or number of petals, similar petals are 3, then the order would be 3.
Ma'am, 3 only.
Yes. If the petals or the same shapes are 4, then the order would be 4.
Ma'am, 4.
If the petals are 8, then the order of rotational symmetry would
8 only. It would be 8 only.
Okay. So this is the shortcut trick to correct your bit type questions. Okay. You can count the number of petals or number of the parts, similar part. And if they are 8, the rotational symmetry would be equal to the number of symmetrical part. Clear? Yes. So what would be the rotational symmetry for these figure? This is for Ritvik Nimala, Ritvik Reddy, Gohit, and this is for Shiva Pranav. Yes, do it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Ritvik and Shiva Pranav same.
Yes.
Ma'am, first one is
Ma'am, Shiva Pranav, I got my answer.
Wait.
Even I got my answer.
Wait. I will ask you one by one. First, Ritvik Nimala, yes, tell me.
4, ma'am.
For this figure, the rotational symmetry would be 4. Clear. Correct. Gohit.
Ma'am, I need a minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I tell Ritvik?
Yes,
Shiva Pranav?
Ritvik
Yes, ma'am.
Reddy. Ritvik Reddy, tell
Okay,
me.
ma'am. So angle of order of rotation is 3, and for find outing the angle of rotation 360 by 3.
Yes. 360 by 3 would be
It
120
will
degree.
be 120, ma'am. So,
So-
angle of rotation is 120 and order of rotation is 3.
3. Yes. Shiva Pranav,
Ma'am, same ma'am answer.
same answer. Correct. Gohit. Gohit. How would you find the order of rotational symmetry and angle of rotational symmetry? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I sent her Gohit once, ma'am. Once same.
No, the Gohit will only answer. Yeah, this is correct. Shiva Pranav, correct. Correct.
Just I
Correct.
sent it.
Shiva
Just I
Pranav,
sent it answer.
yes, Ritvik. Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Again, Gohit left.
Gohit.
Gohit left.
Gohit left. Whenever his turn comes, then he left out. Yes. So I will give you one by one. This is for Ritvik Reddy. Ritvik Nimala is there? Yes, Ritvik Nimala. Shiva Pranav. Yeah.
I have
Yes.
a small doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
For circle, it will be infinity, no, ma'am. How we can do like that?
Order of rotational symmetry.
Order of rotation symmetry.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for A1 it is order of rotational symmetry is
Which of the following have the rotational symmetry of order more than 1? So infinitive is more than 1 or not?
ma'am, more than one. A has more than one, ma'am, because it is 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
These are
And
has
order of
more-
rotation, ma'am, for A1 order of rotation is 2 and 360 by 2 will be 180. Ma'am,
360 by?
ma'am, I'm telling angle of rotation. Ma'am, angle of rotation is 360 by 2, which is 180.
No, 360 by 4.
Oh, yeah. Ma'am, but angle of rotation is 2, right? Sorry, order of rotation is 2. Right?
Order of rotation would be 4.
Yeah. Ma'am, but there are only 2 symmetry lines. Right?
See,
No, there are 4.
you could see this image. When you will rotate it by 90 degree, this point will come here. Again rotate it, again rotate it. The 4 times it will look same as the original one. So the order of... Okay, Ritvik ready? Wait, let me to explain Ritvik. Ritvik, if it is an only circle, then you can say there would be infinitive number of symmetry. Okay, since here the 4 lines are being given, the exact shape is this one. Okay, so this could be rotated. When you will rotate it by 90 degree 4 times, then the same, you will get the same image, same figure.
Ma'am, I told 2 because in in last X, you told 2, no, ma'am. That's why I confused and told that.
Okay. So here it would be 4. Yeah. Ritvik Nimala. Shiva Pranav. Shiva Pranav. No, not correct, Shiva Pranav. Rotational symmetry would be?
Ma'am, 1.
Not 1, 2. For this figure, it would be 2.
Yeah, it would be 2 because it is separated by X.
In this
Yeah,
figure, it would be 2. See, when you will rotate it about, see, this is your figure.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not like that figure.
Ma'am, B1 is more than 1, ma'am.
More than 1, but how much? Tell me the
Ma'am,
exact
4.
figure. It would be?
4.
No, not correct. Shiva
Ma'am,
Pranav.
if it times it will come same.
Wait. If it is rotated 3 times by an angle 120 degree,
Because
Oh, okay, ma'am.
then it will look the same. Okay, angle of rotation would be 120 degree. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Similarly, for the second one, Shiva Pranav, this is your original figure. You rotate it by 180 degree. What will happen?
Ma'am, not like that, ma'am. The squares are equal. The squares are not equal, Shivapranna. The squares are at the same side.
Yes, the square are on the same side.
Yeah.
So when you will rotate it by 90 degree, when you will not rotate it by 90 degree, wait. Yes, this is your shape. Now rotate it by 90 degree. Okay, you will get the vertical will come in the horizontal.
Horizontal. So it is 2.
Okay, so now again when you will rotate it by 90 degree, it will looks like
But it is vice versa.
vertical. Again when you will rotate it by 90
And
degree,
it's not vertical.
yes, again you rotate it by 90 degree, then it will look the same. So how many times it is looking same as the original one? One time only. Yes, this is not the same as this one, right? Shiva Pranav is correct. So order of rotational symmetry would be only 1.
And I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, how would be 1, ma'am? Because see, you draw it. Oh, ma'am, you draw the opposite side, ma'am.
yes,
It's
yes.
actually.
See, they both
And
the square are on the same side.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the 180 degree, they will appear in the opposite side. So this is not same as this one. They both are not same.
Yeah.
This one and this one is
And
not same.
opposite sides it is 2 only, no, ma'am?
No, opposite sides is not true. Exactly, the figure should be same.
Draw your opposite sides of square, no, ma'am? It would be 2, right?
No,
opposite. They're different.
they are different.
I'm asking that you draw in this diagram, you draw like opposite sides in down,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
I would not see the up one. Ma'am, dot first one is wrong, second one is correct.
first one is wrong. Second one is. Where is the doubt? Actually, when you rotate it by 90 degree, the square
No,
will.
ma'am. I rotated by 90 degree when it is opposite sides of square. In the question only,
Yes.
you wrote like opposite side, no, ma'am. That's why I noted like in opposite side and did it. I got 2.
Okay, okay. So you get it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now for this one, the rotational symmetry would be
Ma'am, for D1,
even.
ma'am, C1 is 3.
Wait.
No, ma'am asked E1, not C1.
E.
C1.
This is for
Even
Ritvik
not
Nimala. Wait, this is for Ritvik Nimala, Ritvik Reddy, and Shiva
Okay,
Pranav.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Oh, ma'am, for E1 is 3, ma'am. Order of rotation is 3 and it is more than 1. So it is.
For this one, order of rotation symmetry would be 3.
For
Correct.
D1 is 2, ma'am.
2. Correct.
Ma'am, D1 is 2. Ma'am, it's more than 1.
Yes. And for this, Shiva Pranav?
Ma'am, for 4.
4. Correct. Correct. This is correct. Okay. Now we will see. Yes. If I give you this question. Yes. Find out the order of rotational symmetry for these figure. Okay. This is for.
First one is 2.
Wait. Ritvik Reddy, Ritvik Nimala, Shiva Pranav. Tell me. Ritvik Reddy.
My answer is 2, ma'am. My
2
answer
is correct. Ritvik Nimala.
Ma'am, answer is, ma'am, shall I count that angle 80 thing also?
Yes. It means that is not symmetrical about its 4.
Ma'am, it's 2.
2. It would be 2. If they would be 90 degree, then its order of symmetry would be, if angle is 90 degree, then in place of 80, if 90 has been given, then
Ma'am, ma'am, then it's all 4.
yes, the all gap would be same. So the order of symmetry would be 4 in this case. Okay. So consider this angle also. This angle is 80 degree. It means these two angles are 80 degree, and these two angles are different. Okay, it means it will look only 2 times same. It will look only 2 times same. And when the angle is 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree equal. It means it will look 4 times same. Clear? Ritvik Nimala.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So there is a meaning of this angle. Why this angle has been given? There is a purpose of giving this angle. Okay. If angle,
I got my answer.
yes, Shiva Pranav, what is your answer? 3, correct. Now, this is for Ritvik Nimala, Shiva Pranav, Ritvik Reddy. Yes, tell me.
Ritvik, I am telling, ma'am. Ma'am, Ritvik, I am telling. It is
Yes.
4. Ma'am.
It is
3. 3, ma'am. 3. No, ma'am. Strong.
Ritvik Reddy 3, correct. Shiva Pranav,
Mine is 1.
Shiva Pranav 6.
6.
Ma'am,
Shiva Pranav told wrong, ma'am.
Yes,
I thought.
Shiva Pranav correct. Shiva Pranav correct. So order of what would be the angle of rotation? Shiva Pranav?
Ma'am, 360 by 6.
Yes. 360 by 6. That would be
360, ma'am.
60 degree. No, this is degree. This is not degree. 360 by 6. Okay. Yes, Ritik Nimala.
ma'am, it's 1.
It's 1. No, it is wrong.
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, oh, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pentagon. It is. Yeah, Pentagon 5.
It is? It is
5, ma'am.
5 only.
5.
You could see over here that you can rotate this pentagon by an angle of this object by an angle of 360 by 5. It would be 72, right? 72 degree. Clear? So the
Yes.
see, I will show you.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct. See,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
when you will have this pentagon. When you will rotate this pentagon by 72 degree, this point will come here. Okay. When you will again rotate this pentagon by this point will come. You could see here the point is getting changed. It means we are rotating this pentagon by a constant angle 72 degree. So how would you find this angle? 360 divided by number of symmetrical side. Number of symmetrical side are 5. So you can rotate this pentagon by 72 degree. When you will rotate this pentagon by 72 degree, you would see that there would 5 times it will look same as the original one. So the order of symmetry would be 5. Clear? Ritvik Nimala, clear?
5.
Ritvik Nimala,
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Ritvik Nimala,
Yes, ma'am.
clear? If I give
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
if instead of pentagon, if I give you hexagon, then what would be the order of symmetry and the order of angle of rotation? Tell me. If this is a center.
Ma'am, if that is the center, ma'am,
Same. Only there
ma'am,
is
7. Ma'am, 7.
No.
a hexagon. Hexagon. No,
Order of rotation is 6.
Ritvik Nimala, without permission, you are not allowed to say. If one person is asking, you are not allowed to ask, say in the middle. Yes. Ritvik Nimala.
Yes, ma'am.
What would be the order of rotation? Rotational
five.
symmetry. Here it is 5. Why? Because here the number of sides are 5. In hexagon, the number of sides are 6. Then the symmetry would be?
Ma'am, when I said 6, Ritvik Reddy said it's wrong, ma'am.
Who is Ritvik
Told
Reddy?
7, ma'am. He told 7, ma'am.
You told 7. Ritvik Reddy is not a teacher. I am a teacher. I would say yes or no. Okay. So the 6 is correct. Since here the sides are 6. So what would be the angle of rotation? Tell me. What would be the angle of rotation? Yes.
Ma'am,
How many symmetrical sides are there? 6 symmetrical sides.
6. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So this angle would be?
Ma'am,
Total is 360.
yes,
Total
ma'am.
parts are 6. Then the angle of each part would be?
Ma'am, each part would be 60.
360
Yes, ma'am.
divided by?
60 divided by 6. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that would be?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
That would be 60 degree.
60. Yes, ma'am.
So when you will rotate this hexagon by 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 66 times, then it will look same. In
Yes, ma'am.
each and every rotation, it will look same. Why it will look same? Since here all sides are equal.
Well,
All sides are equal.
equal.
Okay. So after 60 degrees rotation, it will look same as the original one. Again, you rotate it by 60 degree, it will look same as the original one. Again, you rotate it by 60 degree, it will look same as the original one. Similarly, you have to rotate it by 6 times. Okay. Since angle of rotation is 60 degree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. In the 6th rotation, it will
come back now.
it will come back. Okay. Clear? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now if I say find out the rotational symmetry of this star, this star would be?
Ma'am, 6.
6. So Ritvik Nimala, how it is 6?
Ma'am, because it has 6 portions, ma'am.
Yes, 6 portions. So they are symmetrical portions, right? So total angle is 60 degree and number of symmetrical portions are 6. So angle of rotation would be 60 degree. Clear? So the order of symmetry would be 6 only. And Ritvik Reddy 3 is correct. You could rotate this image by an angle of 120 degree. It will look same in each and every rotation. So the order of symmetry would be 3. Clear? Correct.
Ma'am, I think time is up now.
Time is up. Okay, our chapter is also completed.
Done.
Okay. Chapter is also done. Only I have to tell you. Yes. Yes. Complete this table and after that we can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. First two Ritvik Reddy, second two Shiva Pranav, third Ritvik Nimala. Okay, so be ready.
Ma'am, I want 1 minute time. I'm Shiva Pranav.
Yes. Ritvik Reddy, tell me.
Ma'am, first is already given. Ma'am, what I should tell?
Yes, second one.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. No line of symmetry.
Okay.
Number of lines of symmetry 0.
Okay.
And rotational symmetry, yes.
Okay.
And order of rotational symmetry 1.
1. Yes.
Ma'am,
Next.
can you give me like Ritik
Yes.
Nimala has give
The
previous-
last one.
No, ma'am, lines of symmetry, no.
Yes.
Number of lines of symmetry, 0.
Okay.
Rotational symmetry, yes.
Yes.
1, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Now Shiva Pranav. Shiva Pranav, tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I'm writing.
Ma'am, shall I tell mine?
Yes, Ritik Nimala, you
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am. Line of symmetry, yes. Ma'am, number of lines, ma'am, 1. Ma'am, rotational symmetry, no. Ma'am, 0.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I have a small doubt.
ma'am,
Yes.
He has no lines of symmetry, right?
He has no lines of symmetry.
Yeah, ma'am, he kept 1.
ma'am, yes, ma'am, that's a line of symmetry.
Wait. Let me to see. Line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry.
Yes, ma'am, that is line of symmetry.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, then order of rotational symmetry would be 1.
Order of rotational symmetry would be
0.
why it is 0?
He's 1,
Ma'am,
I
if
think
you
so.
noted-
The minimum number of rotation is 1.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what 1.
Oh, yes, ma'am, sorry, 1,
The
1.
minimum number of rotation is 1.
1, ma'am.
They all object will have a minimum number of rotation
Yeah, ma'am.
1. Okay.
Ma'am, Shiva connection.
Yes.
Ma'am, and
One
ma'am, I'll
more.
just complete
One
my
more. Yes.
ma'am, once I complete. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, line of symmetry, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, number of lines of symmetry, 1.
Okay.
Ma'am, order of rotational symmetry, ma'am, 2.
No.
2 is not correct.
Yeah, ma'am, no.
Ma'am, 2 only, right, ma'am?
Hmm?
I think it is 1,
Only
ma'am.
1 month. Shiva, 1
Yeah,
month.
ma'am, it is 1, ma'am.
Yes. And when you rotate it by 90 degree,
Z.
Z, again rotate it, it will look as this.
Ma'am, that's N, right, ma'am?
Yes.
It is 2 only, right? 1
Ma'am,
only,
what
right?
I said, ma'am, it's
So it
2.
is 2. It is 2. 1 here and 1 here. 2 times. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Shiva, can I say no?
Yes.
Ma'am, line of symmetry is yes. Number of lines of symmetry for H is, ma'am, 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, and rotation of symmetry is 1.
Yes. Correct.
Ma'am, for O, ma'am, for O, number of lines of symmetry is infinite, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, order of symmetry also infinite.
Yes. But Shiva Pranav, check it.
Not 1. Ma'am,
This
it
will
is
not be 1.
Ma'am, I think 2.
2.
It is 2,
Not
ma'am.
I think. It will be 2 only. H. When you rotate it 90
It is 2,
degree.
ma'am. It will be I. It
I.
will be I, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
It will
then
be
it
I.
will
And
look
again
I.
H and again I.
Again I. Again H. So 2 times it is looking same. Clear? So I think this chapter is over. We have done it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.